And this is very exciting for me because I often see on YouTube people unboxing, and today I'm going to unbox a garment which we use for compression for faces. This came about because one of my patients said to me, I have a PhD in education and I can't work out how to put this garment on. So my job today is to open up, see if I can work out how to explain to get this garment on you safely and simply. Here we go. Here's the box. It is a lipoelastic medical product. Let's open up. Here's a box. Inside the box is this plastic container. We open that and out comes the garment. I want to point out also that on the very front of the box there's a little picture here with a little black thing on it. It doesn't really help at all. They're trying to help us work out how to get it on, but I don't think it makes any difference, to be honest. So let's have a look here. Lots and lots of pages of nothing. Any pictures on how to do it? No. So this is what you're left with. This is the garment. And that somehow has to end up on your head. And I've seen patients put this in all different directions. It's often quite funny to see what they look like, but unfortunately it doesn't work as well unless you get it right. There is Velcro here. So let's pull on the Velcro and see what happens. Now the trick here, the Velcro has to go at the back of the neck. It doesn't go at the top, doesn't go on the side, it's got to be at the back. So that gives us a good guide as to how it fits. The second thing I need to point out is that there are seams all the way around here. And it's important that if you're putting any sort of garment on you, you tend to try and have the seams on the inside, so when people look at it from the outside, don't see the seams. Here it's the other way around. It's important that the seams actually, if there's a thick part of seam, that tends to be on the outside rather than the inside. There's a little label at the back here, and the label gives you a little bit of a guide too, because the label should be on the inside. So we've got two bits of Velcro at the back. That's got around the neck. We have to get the chin in the front somehow. Kirsten is our... This is going to be interesting, isn't it?
It's fun.
Well, okay, let's see how we go. So we now have Velcro at the back, ready to be put together. The chin has to go in here. This goes like this. Ponytail must go on the inside, up the top. Oh, like so.
Oh, she's snug.
She's snug. This goes across like this. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll pull that little bit, should be a little bit further forward like that. All right, chin at the bottom, seams pointing out, Velcro at the back.
Possibly ponytail might not be the best.
Yeah, without a ponytail is probably an advantage, but hey, we can only do what we can do. Make sure you wear it. It's a really important part of the process in healing. We like to wear these for at least a couple of weeks following your surgery.